When you visit Costa Rica for the first time, it may seem a very green and natural place. That's just the first impression. What you should know about this green spot, this happens because of decisions taken decades ago, when, for instance, 1/4 of the land was declared as a natural protected area forever. Just to see this in perspective, it's as if mankind declared the American continent as its natural garden. You will learn even more when you realize that for 10 bulbs that you switch on, 9 are lighted with clean energy. And when you understand that every single one of the Costa Ricans you meet in the streets produces, this is truly knowing the green of Costa Rica. You may have heard that Costa Rica is a place of peace, but being in Costa Rica will let you understand the meaning of this word. You'll know that peace means not having to worry about maintaining an army since over 50 years. And 8 out of 10 Costa Ricans you meet have never seen a soldier in their entire lives. So, this is truly knowing the peace of Costa Rica. Until you see that the largest uniform body of the country is composed by children and young students in public classrooms. As well, when you know that talent was forged with decades of investment on each student. You may know about the quality of life in Costa Rica, but you will feel life when you meet people who expect to live 15 years longer than the world's average, and very humble people on the North Coast with 4 times the chances of living more than 100 years than the rest of humanity. So, this is truly knowing the quality of life in Costa Rica. You can read that Costa Rica is a high-technology spot or that we are in the top countries of per capita export. What you could take a while to understand is that while in other countries people migrate abroad, here Costa Ricans are developing the technology for migrating to the moon and going to Mars on an direct flight. This in just 39 days instead of 11 months. Technology is thought that cleaning up the space garbage is why technology is thought for everyone to have electricity, phone, and internet, regardless of whether they are big customers or not. So, this is truly knowing Costa Rica. Let's build together the future of the happiest country in the world.